Hello friends. Are you ready to learn few useful everyday phrases in English? So let's start with number 1. Better late than never. Is there anything on your mind what it could mean? It means to better do something late than not at all. For example, after months of delays, I finally completed my project. I guess better late than never. Let's see what the second phrase is. You've got to be kidding me. Do you have anything on your mind? It means to be surprised by what someone has just said. For example, when the waiter brought out a wrong order and acted like it was what we asked for, I said, "You have got to be kidding me." No pain, no gain. Number 3, any clue? It means hard work is necessary to get what you want. For example, he struggled with his new project, but kept telling himself, no pain, no gain. Let's see what number 4 has for us. Speak of the devil. Oh. It means when the person you were talking about appears. For example, I mentioned my friend's new job on a lunch break and moments later, she walked into cafe. Speak of the devil. Number 5. Curious to learn about the last phrase for today? Better safe than sorry. Oh, does it involve crying? It means it's better to be cautious. For example, I put my phone on silent during the meeting, just in case. Better safe than sorry.